Gate 3. Today I am narrating my story. No. I will show the visual of my story. This story could be of many kids who had to stop attending their school due to Corona last year. I like going to school daily. My dad drops me. We walk together daily. While walking, we talk about the sun, the moon, the stars and a lot of other things. I like playing with my friends. Who don't? You all like it, isn't it? I like learning new things. I like attending my dance classes. I like the most attending my Carnatic music with my mother. Rest you can see it.
Madhu, are you ready?
Yes, ma, I'm ready.
What happened? You didn't drink the milk full. Finish fast. It's already time for school.
Over, ma.
Okay, check with daddy whether he's
Daddy,
ready.
are you ready?
Come, let's go.
Daddy, why can't we see the stars in the morning?
Stars are there, but you can't see them because of the bright light of the sun.
Daddy, why can't we see the moon in the morning?
You can't see the moon also for the same reason. The sunlight is too bright, and in the bright light of the sun, you cannot see the light of the moon or the stars. That's why you can see the moon and stars in the night, because there is no bright sunlight at night.
Who are aliens, Daddy?
Aliens are people or animals or insects or things that live in other worlds that are different from our own.
Daddy, why do only dry leaves fall from the tree? Why do fresh leaves do not fall?
The trees are full of energy, they are working, they are doing something, and hence they are acting and they do not fall. Dry leaves are tired. They don't have energy. Like how you lie down and sleep at night when you are tired and have no energy, the dry leaves also fall down from the trees to lie down on the ground.
No school.
Why?
That's Corona.
Oh, Corona.
Daddy, what is Corona?
Corona is a new virus.
Why can't we go out? Why can't we go out because of Corona?
You cannot go out because it will cause illness. The virus is very small, it will get in the body and it will cause illness. So it's better to stay safe.
Why you people came back? What happened?
The watchman told that there is Corona, so they closed the school.
Oh, your teacher didn't send any message? Okay, anyway. Good thing only. Stay back.
Okay.
Enjoy.
What are you doing in the kitchen? What are you doing?
I am cooking. What I will do?
What is today's curry?
Your favorite only.
Hi, Ma. What is today's breakfast?
Good morning, Madhu. Why you got up so early? You should have slept some more time. Anyway, no school.
I want to help you, Ann. I want to help you, Ma.
What you will do?
I'll put idlis.
Okay. Okay, do it.
Hi, Daddy.
Good morning, Madhu. How are you? Give me 10 minutes. I'm doing some important work. I'll get back to you. Okay?
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Madhu. I'm practicing guitar. Don't disturb me.
See, Madhu,
Yes, ma.
when you are going to school, you are very, very busy, right?
Yes.
So now there is no school, and then I know that you are feeling upset and sad about it, and you don't know what to do, how to do, what to do the whole day. You are upset about it. I can see that. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yes. See, whether you are learning dance, you are learning music. Okay. So when you are having school, you don't have enough time to practice your dance or music, right?
Yes.
So now you have plenty of time. You can actually practice, you can learn your new lessons, you can practice every day. Okay? So when we are having lot of time and when things happen like this, okay? So whether you will be sad or you want to learn new things and then become better is something that you have to decide.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I understood, ma. Hi, Daddy.
Hello, Madhu. Do you want to learn more about the computers? You have a subject about computers in the school, isn't it? Why don't you spend time learning more about the computers? I will teach you about it.
Yes, Daddy. I'm very much interested about learning computers. children, today in EVS we are going to learn about our sense organs. Please open page number 69. I am going to read now. Put your hand and read. Let's start. Everything we know about the world is through our senses. So it means that whatever we know about everything we know about the world is through our senses. There are 5 senses. So let's see what are those 5 senses. The main sense organs are our eyes, the nose, the ears, the tongue and the skin. So our main sense organs are our eyes, our nose, our ears, our tongue and our skin. Our eyes help us to see. So we can see only through our eyes. Our ears help us to hear. We can hear through our ears. Our nose helps us to smell. So when some food is cooked, we smell it, right? So that is through our nose. Our tongue helps us to taste. So our tongue helps us to taste how the food is. Sa-ri-ga-ma pa-da-ni-sa sa-ni-da-pa ma-ga-ri-sa sa-sa sa-ni-da-ri-sa-ni-ni da-da-pa-ma-ga-ma-pa-da-ni-da ri-sa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ma-pa-da-ni sa-ri-ga-ri-sa-ni-sa-ri sa-ni-ri-sa-ni-da-ni-da-ni sa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ma-pa-da-ni pa-ma-ga-ni-da ga-da-pa-ma-ga-ri-sa-ni sa-ri-ga-ma-ga-ma-pa-ga-ma ni-da-ni-pa da-ni-sa-ri sa-ri-ga sa-ri-ga-ri-sa-ni-da-ni da-ga-ri-sa-ni-da pa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ma-pa-da-ni sa-ri-ni-sa-ni-da-ni sa-ni-da-pa-ma-ga-ri sa-ri-sa-pa-ma-da-pa ni-da-ri-sa-ni-da-ni da-ga-ri-ni-ri-ni-sa-da-ni pa-da-ni-sa-ga-ri-sa-ni-da-pa ma-ga-ri-ga-ma-pa-da-ni. Hi, Amma.
Hello, Madhu. Good morning. Water?
Yes, Ma.
Water ready?
Yes, Ma.
Okay.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi, Anna.
Hi, Madhu.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Madhulika.
How are you, teacher?
Fine, Madhu. How was your weekend?
Fine, teacher.
Okay, let us start our English lesson today.
Okay. Did you like what you saw now? Now I am too busy. Daily I help my mother in kitchen, in cooking. I wash my plate after my meals. I practice my Kuchipudi dance and Carnatic music lessons. I like playing with my dolls. I like playing like a teacher, telling lessons. I play like that. Now I am narrating stories in YouTube in Telugu. For selecting the story, for making required dolls, and I rehearse 4 to 5 times so that I am telling it properly in Telugu. You may be wondering why I am telling all this. Is there any special? Yes, it is special only. in school, they cannot meet their friends and they cannot learn many new things like how I felt. But in these difficult situations, we learn many valuable things. Based on the situation, we should change ourselves and we should change our thinking. Only if I am like this, I will be happy. Otherwise, I will not be happy. This kind of thinking we should stop. We learn many new things in these kind of situations. This is what I wanted to tell about my story. I am not advising that you should do like how I am doing. But based on your talents, you should do. Some may be good in studies, some may be good in singing, some may be good in dance or sports. With your parents' help, you should try to do them. I wish next academic year we can again go to school, meet our friends and learn many new things. Bye for now. Here's Mother!
Do.